Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the SuitU Error Code 5004. As per our research, the error comes when players try to vote for tickets. According to our research, this error may come because of a temporary glitch in the game or server issues. In some cases, it may also occur if the game or device is not up to date. First, try restarting your device and then check for the error. After restarting, also make sure that the game is updated to its latest version. If the error still comes, then try uninstalling the game and reinstalling it again. Once the game is reinstalled, open it and check if the error is gone. If the error still comes, then it may be an issue on SuitU's end. In that case, wait for a few hours and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.